network firewall, web application firewall, or even forward proxy, reverse proxy. All these are critical, rather crucial security solutions which are responsible for one thing or the other, especially in order to mitigate from any attack from outside users. Not only here, but we have another key security tool in infrastructure, especially for the data center or where the assets are communicating over the internet, which is called Intrusion Detection System, or in short, IDS. Let's understand a little bit more about what IDS is. IDS. What its functionality is that it detects real-time traffic, then based upon the pattern or the signature, it will take a rectification or rather inform the respective system via generating of the alerts. That is IDS or intrusion detection system. Now, some of the key features of IDS. The first one is signature based detection, wherein the IDS detects either the known malware or via the signatures, it can get to know what are the SQL injection attacks which are happening, cross site scripting patterns can also be mapped here, and accordingly it can inform the system. Sometimes some abnormal traffic spikes are seen, which may be DOS or DDoS attacks, or known exploits, or brute force is carried out. All these signature related information is what IDS fetches and provides it to the respective system so that a rectification or a corrective action can be taken. The second one is the anomaly based detection, wherein zero-day attacks or maybe abnormal traffic pattern is seen. That anomaly can also be detected by the IDS and informed to the respective system. Finally, let us say there are policy violations, maybe activities that don't match user common behavior, or there are multiple access attempts towards the system. Then IDS will also capture such type of information. Moving ahead, IDS types. There are primarily two types of IDS systems. One is called NIDS or the network based IDS because it is installed at the network level and more or less inline or in a tap mode. And the other one is the HIDS, which is primarily installed on the as agents on the all the systems, maybe desktop, maybe server, maybe laptop, and all, which is IDS. So talking about NIDS, either through a tap, it is in non-inline mode, or it may also be in an inline mode. But it is most of the time installed behind the firewall and between the switch so as to capture the information. And wherever it sees anomaly or any signature matching wherein it detects there's an attack, it informs, sends alert, but does not prevent that communication from happening. Now, about IDS, rather HIDS. HIDS does not only look into the outgoing and incoming traffic from the internet, but also that lateral movement which is happening. And whatever the information is, it sends to the central orchestrator, which may be locally installed or at the cloud for that visibility, and so that the alarms can be sent to the respective system and the rectification can take place. So this is about NIDS and the HIDS. Vendor solution. There are multitude of vendors in the market, and this is a list of few of them which are prevalent and having a cutthroat competition in the market so as to provide solutions to the customer. And these solutions can be software based, maybe hardware based, appliance based, which can be installed in maybe inline mode, on non-inline mode, or even in the cloud, and that IDS functionality can be leveraged by the customers. So some of them are Cisco Secure IPS, or in fact, Snort also is managed by Cisco. Other ones are the Palo Alto firewalls, which are called the next generation firewalls, which have inbuilt facility of IDS. or in fact in the cloud also, Palo Alto solution of Prisma Cloud can be used to provide that functionality. Other vendors are Checkpoint, IDS, McAfee, Fortinet, QRadar. In fact, Trend Micro also is into this domain of providing IDS service. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.